Hello friends, welcome to Poongodi's channel. Today we learn a new stitch called knotted chain stitch. The chains in this stitch will be circular in shape, whereas the chains in the chain stitch will be in drop shape. Each loop in this chain is formed by using the process to make a knot. The loops formed are circular in shape. This is another decorative stitch which we can use for border lines, stems and in motifs. Now we will start this stitch in a line. Bring the needle on the line at any point. Pick little fabric from one side of the line to the other side like this and pull the thread completely. Now you will be getting a small stitch. Now you should pass the needle from one side to another through the stitch like this. You just keep a little loop like this and pass the needle once again through the loop, and now you will get a knot like stitch, and this makes the circular chain. Now we will do the next stitch, second chain. Once again pick a little fabric from one side of the line to the other side and pull the thread. Now insert the needle in the stitch from one side to another. Once again insert the needle through the loop like this and pull over. Now you will get a circular shaped chain, and we are putting the third chain now. Once again pick little fabric and pull the thread, pass the needle through the stitch. Once again pass the needle through the loop, and now you will get the circular chain. Third chain is over. See here. Now we are putting the fourth chain. Pick little fabric, pass the needle through the stitch. Once again pass the needle through the loop, and now we have got the fourth circular chain. See how beautiful it looks. Now fifth chain. Once again pick little fabric from one side of the line to the other, pass the needle through the stitch. Once again pass the needle through the loop. Now you can see the next chain. We should continue the same stitch. See here, we are getting circular chains very beautifully. Now I will show you from another angle. See here, you should pick a little fabric like this, pass the needle through the previous stitch. Once again pass the needle through the loop. Thread should be below the needle. Please notice that. Pick a little fabric from one side of the line to the other side pass the needle through the stitch. Once again pass the needle through the loop. The thread should be below the needle. Please notice that. Once again pass the needle through the stitch. Now pass the needle through the loop and the thread should be below the needle. We can continue this stitch till the end of the line. I hope you understood this stitch clearly. If you like this stitch and this video, share with your friends. If you have any doubts, please comment. Now I am going to finish the stitch. You just put the needle outside the chain and finish it. Now we have finished this knotted chain stitch. See how pretty it looks. This is the back view of the stitch. If you have missed my previous videos, please go to the link given in the description box. To learn more embroidery stitches, please like and subscribe for my channel. Thank you for watching.